Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Capital One shopping rewards on Amazon. This is a great way to maximize the value of your rewards points and save money on your purchases. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account from the drop-down. This takes you to your main account management page where you can adjust various settings. Next, click on your payments. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and gift card balances. Now click Add Payment Method to begin adding your Capital One card to your account. From the options that appear, click Add a credit or debit card. You'll now see a form where you need to enter your card details. Type in your Capital One card number, the name on the card, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues during checkout. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Add Your Card. Amazon will save this payment method for future purchases, making checkout faster next time. Now that your card is added, let's move on to making a purchase. In the upper right toolbar, click Cart to view the items you want to buy. If you have multiple items in your cart but only want to purchase some of them, simply uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want right now. This keeps them saved for later without removing them completely. When you're ready, click Proceed to Checkout in the right panel. Amazon will guide you through the checkout process step by step. First, select your delivery address from the options available, or add a new one if needed. On the payment page, under Payment Methods, select the Capital One card you just added. This ensures that your purchase will be charged to that specific card. Now here's where your rewards come into play. If you have linked that Capital One card to Amazon Shop with points, look for the section that says Rewards or Use Capital One Rewards. Click that option when prompted. This feature allows you to apply your Capital One rewards points directly to your Amazon purchase, reducing the total amount you need to pay. You'll likely see a slider or input field where you can adjust how many points you want to use. Move the slider or type in the amount of points you'd like to apply toward this purchase. Once you've decided how many points to redeem, click Place Your Order or Continue to complete the purchase. Amazon will process your payment, deducting the points from your Capital One rewards balance and charging the remaining amount to your card. And that's it. You've successfully used your Capital One shopping rewards on Amazon, making your purchase more affordable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.